Hey guys, I have a GE washer. It's a old style like this, and apparently this shouldn't be happening. So in order for you to fix this at your home, the only thing you need to order from Amazon is this part right here. So this part goes under this plastic part that rotates. Basically, I'm gonna take this out, take the old one, put the new one, put the whole plastic on top, and that's it. So while trying to remove this part, this comes pretty tightly attached to the bottom. So what you need to do is just put your fingers right here, both of them, and then very hard, you gotta pull very hard, and just imagine that this could hit you right in the face. It almost hit me, but luckily it didn't. So you have to pull very strong, both hands, and that thing comes up. I already took it out, but I couldn't film this, if I was holding my phone. So now I have that removed. So the problem usually is this part. It's plastic, and this usually should not be rotating like this. It should be stiff. So I'm gonna take out this bulb, take this one, the old one, and put the new one in. So take out the bulb. See this one? This should be doing that. Usually the inside part is wearing out, and that's why we're gonna put the new part, just brand new. See that? It's not rotating. That means that's good. So now I'm gonna put the bolt in, put the other plastic part on top, and we're done for the day. Yeah, I was able to tighten this bolt, and the only thing you gotta do is just snap this on top. That's it. See that? It's not spinning. So that's how you fix your GE washer. That's it. Have a good one.